Okay, where are we at today?
Antelope Island State Park.
We're gonna see some what? Bison! And hopefully the actual Great Salt Lake. Look how pretty the clouds are. Ah, I can't leave the window open, my lashes. Guys, be careful when you see bison. They can hurt you. I see construction more than I see water.
There's water. I think it's just moss or something. Growth. Salt. Pretty much over on top of this all water here.
Okay. To see the actual Salt Lake, but the Salt Lake's all dried up.
I don't think it's dried up, that's just how it looks.
Really?
Yeah. There's water. It's just like this.
Oh.
Should I stop?
Yeah.
Yeah, stop behind these people right here. Okay, hold up. Knows we're here.
Oh my god, there's so
There's
many.
a bunch of them. Look at his butt.
You know, I think it's all cheap. What you think?
Pretty cool. pretty high up here. And there's some bison right there. There's some bison and people next to it.
Like it looks unreal on camera. What do you think?
Nice. I wonder if the bison can walk.
I think so.
Looks like a really steep hill.
Can bison climb? I don't know. Too bad we didn't drive the Sequoia.
Can't fit to the hotel.
Can you see us? You can't see us. Yeah! I think this one's sleeping.
Is he?
Just chilling. He's dark. He's black.
Can't tell how big he is. He's awake though. He's not asleep. He's awake.
Just don't have him come charging at us. Oh, he just sat down. Just chilling. I don't know why I'm whispering.
I think they're pretty harmless.
I'm scared to provoke them. He's walking. I can't see him. Too far now. Can't see him. Yeah.
This is Gar Ranch. Oh, so you can blacksmithing and metalsmithing, forging. Snap-on tools don't got nothing on this. Oh, they make horseshoes here. Oh, begin here. This is where it all began. Utah. Fielding Gar Ranch.
Indians lived here first.
Okay, cool. Damn, look at that.
You think that's the bison?
Yeah.
Fielding Gar and his 6 children. And they began cattle ranching here. Okay, so the church owns this. The church used it to keep his own cattle.
Yeah, check out that kitchen.
Huh? Kitchen?
It's a lot of woodworking stuff. Planes.
Man, the church has a lot of has like a lot of stuff. Like is involved in almost everything here in Utah. Oh, I didn't even know they had this. Kind of glad we came.
Jess's bicycle.
Okay, this one's too new.
Yeah. This one, I think
It's a fake replica.
Yeah. Oh, there's a washing machine. Oh. Maytag. The washing machine. This is where they press it and rinse it.
No. Camper wagon.
Yeah, it is. It looks like that's where a mattress goes. And some kind of kitchen. I guess they raise horses here.
Okay, you go on horseback rides.
Yeah. Yeah, it's raining.